So आज हम लोगों का एक्चुअली बहुत लेट हो गया है. We left from the place where we stayed last night. So now we are heading towards Velneshwar. So today's target is somewhere around of 80 kilometers. But we'll take a break for breakfast and obviously for lunch also. So this was the room where we stayed last night, and it was quite comfortable and spacious enough for 3 of us, and also within our budget. We woke up around 7 and we started packing our things and as well as our cycles. और आज का distance था somewhere around 80 kilometers and target was to reach up to Velneshwar. So this is the property where we stayed last night. इसके property के owner थे Mr. and Mrs. Bapat. And very nice and kind people. और आजू बाजू में पूरा greenery था. There were a lot of trees, so that's the reason the whole night it was very cool and calm. And ये actually उनका native place है. So that's the Deepashri bungalow where we actually stayed last night. And as you can see, there is a lot of greenery surrounding this place. So काफ़ी cool and calm रहता है हमेशा. So as I said before, हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया था निकलने के लिए एंड दिस वाज द मेन रीज़न. सिद्धेश का रेयर टायर था वो पूरा फ्लैट हो गया था और ये हम लोगों को मॉर्निंग में पता चला था. एंड अनदर थिंग इज़ दैट उसका रेयर व्हील के लिए कोई क्विक रिलीज़ था ही नहीं. वो नट से ही ओपन हो सकता था. तो थैंकफुली ये जो ओनर हैं उनके पास कुछ रेंच थे और उस साइज़ का रेंच हम लोगों को मिल गया एंड दैट्स हाउ वी टुक ऑफ द व्हील एंड चेंज द ट्यूब. तू ब्लाइंड साठी फंड जमा कर आणि तू तुझे कपडे इथे डोनेट कर सगळीकडे प्रत्येक गावात डोनेट करत जा.
एक एक सीन झालाय त्याचा स्टँड काल तुटलाय. तू आता हार्डवेअर घ्यायचा एक पाना पण घ्यायचा. सगळ्या होमस्टे लोक काल पण एक फोटो काढलेला आज पण एक फोटो काढूया होस्ट बरोबर.
ओके थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
आमच्या घरात आम्हाला बसतात भरपूर माणसं आहेत.
चलो. So we had just started from Anzarle and जैसे कि मंदार ने कहा we were not supposed to go from the coastal route because the road was under construction. So that's the reason we had to take the parallel route and go towards Dapoli, and from Dapoli we were supposed to go towards Dabol. And from Dabol there was a ferry we had to catch which would leave us to Veldur, and from Veldur we were supposed to go towards Velneshwar, but due to unfortunate reasons we had to end this ride till Guhagar and stay over there, which I'll explain it to you later in this video. It is not at all advisable to ride such a higher gradient climbs which will bring more pressure on leg muscles at the beginning of the ride, because that will give you cramps if you're riding long distance, which will result in discomfort throughout the ride. So it is better to get your muscles warmed up at least for 15 minutes, and before that stretching your legs, arms, back and neck is highly recommended. This is the parallel route which we had to climb instead of taking the route close by the coast because it was under construction.
व्हिडिओ इथे
Come on. As you can see, most of the patch of this route was terrible, but it not bothered me because I was riding MTB with 2.25 width trail tires, as they absorbed most of the rough surface and also could hold the grip while I was riding off the road. While riding such terrain, it is important to open up the shock ups as well, which will make your ride more smoother. This was the beautiful descent with a scenic view of Palande beach. So whenever you go towards sea level, there is always a downhill that you get to enjoy. Till this point of time, we had almost completed 10 kilometers, and it was around quarter to 11. So that's why we stopped for having our breakfast. But later we regret because of the food taste and the quality was pretty worst. As you can see in the omelette, there is a lot of oil, and the upma which we ordered was literally tasteless. And this was not expected, especially in this area where we were getting tasty food, especially homemade. After 15 kilometers of this route, we started climbing the Dapoli Ghat, which was of around 6 kilometers long, and elevation gain was of 200 meters. Now let me share some tips with you regarding how to ride an ascending road effectively without panting. First, you have to descend your gears to the lowest one and then keep a rhythm of breathing. Now try to focus on exhaling fully by mouth, which will remove more carbon dioxide and also help you inhale from your nose more deeply. And this will help you to keep a control on your cadence and sustain the momentum and pace while climbing. सो यहाँ पे पूरा रूट डिसेंड करने के बाद हम लोगों को एक वाटरमेलन वाला दिख गया था. सो हम लोग ने सोचा थोड़ा सा खा लेते हैं और एक छोटा ब्रेक भी हो जाएगा आफ्टर द लॉन्ग क्लाइंब.
काहीतरी विचित्र फरक आलाय.
हा अगोदर नव्हता. तुला काल परवा नाही जाणवला?
आता मला आता उतरायला लागलं ना असं होतं. मला वाटलं काय दगड बिगड असे अडकतात ना तेव्हा पण होतं.
सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे मंदार के साइकिल के टायर का एक इशू हो गया था. इट हैड डेवलप्ड अ बल्ज ड्यू टू सम रीजन, आई डोंट नो. म्हणजे त्या मेकॅनिककडे
आहे पुढे सायकलवाला विचारलं एकदम माझं बघा ना.
तुझं काही नाही रे बाबा इशू. हे काय
मला जाणत नाही
हे काय किती फिरतंय बघ. बट उसके बैलेंस के लिए वो ठीक नहीं था. सो दैट्स द रीज़न वी थॉट ऑफ शोइंग इट टू द साइकिल मैकेनिक विच वॉज फ्यू मीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम द प्लेस. एंड इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू शो इट टू द मैकेनिक, अदरवाइज लॉन्ग रन में शायद कुछ मेजर प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकता है. सो दैट्स द रीज़न वी थॉट ऑफ गोइंग टू द मैकेनिक अँड गेटिंग इट रिझॉल्व. प्यायला पाणी आहे का तुमच्याकडे? जरा बॉटल भरायची होती आमची.
मी असं ऑब्झर्व फर्स्ट टाइम केलंय. असं का होतं
माहीत नाही रे. हे काहीतरी वेगळंच होतं. हे काय मीठ आहे बघ ना. ह्याचं झालं माझा कॅमेरा पडला, तुझं आता हे झालंय. So this was the local mechanic shop in the Dapoli market, and here we got a new tire for Mandar's cycle, and Siddesh also serviced his brakes and drivetrain, and I guess he also got his stand fixed. Now Mandar has also taken a test ride after fixing the tire, and I think it seems working very well.
काय करू हे मला सांग. मी लागतो.
नाही थांब. So till now we had only completed 22 kilometers, and it was around 2 o'clock. So we then planned to skip the lunch also and keep having our snack bars just to compensate for the elapsed time. Now reaching Velneshwar was not possible, so that's the reason then we had decided to reach up to Guhagar, because that is also a very nice place to stay. काय भाई?
अच्छा टायर फ्लॅट झाला.
Now this is something which we never and none of us thought. We were going to have a third breakdown in today's ride. So Mandar's rear tire got punctured just after a couple of kilometers riding from the mechanic shop.
त्याने ट्यूब चेक पण केलेली.
मग इथे पंक्चर झाला असेल रे. बघूया ना.
ब्रेकडाऊन काय संपत नाहीत आज.
So without doing any further analysis, we quickly removed the wheel to check the puncture, as we did not want to waste any more time. Now here, unfortunately, we did not get any sharp thing pierced in the tire, which would have caused this puncture. When we saw the tube, the hole was right in the center of the tube facing towards the rim. So it was completely clueless as why this must have happened.
असे करून फिरव हे घे.
Now here we did not have any other option but change the tube and keep heading towards ferry. So after quick tube change, we took off and headed towards the ferry. After long painful efforts of climbing, we finally got a long descent to enjoy in the mountains which was headed towards Dabol ferry. And we were only 6-7 kilometers away from Dabol jetty. And very soon we would be reaching the Dabol jetty. So till then you sit back and enjoy the descent. Yeah! Come on! आता बरोबर दा प्रेशर बरोबर वाटतंय.
आमची हवा कमी नाही आहे.
बरोबर आहे. आता पॅच मारायला थांबूया पुढे गावात.
नाशिकवरून जाता मग किंवा नाशिकला?
माझे मिस्टर होता आपलं काय 20-25 करायचे रोजचे.
अच्छा अच्छा तसं चांगलं आहे ते पण चांगलं आहे.
एवढं नाही आपल्याला स्टॅमिनाच नाही ना सगळं करता लेडीजला.
बरं.
मॅडम एक आता 1200ची BRM केली डॉक्टरांनी.
काढायचं.
चला पाय एक फोटो
हो
काढला असता ना
हो
आपला.
हो काढ.
तिकीट इथे काढायची.
बरं बरं. थँक्यू.
We were waiting for the ferry till that time I shot this wonderful time lapse. And Siddesh got some snacks for us to have it in the ferry as we had skipped lunch.
हे आपण आतमध्ये लावूया ना. हा शिट.
मी चटणी काय खाऊ शकते.
मस्त आहे ना जे पण आहे ते मस्त आहे भाई. चल लवकर रेस लाव पटकन चल. डायरेक्ट गोवाला चल. गोवाला जायचं ना. एक नंबर दे दाढी. काय ठेव समोर लिहिलंय बघ.
कधी
हा कोण रे असतील पण आपल्याला काय समजत.
So after reaching Veldur and riding for few kilometers, we found a tire mechanic and there we fixed our punctures so that the spare tubes are ready to get used again. And also filled our water bottles from the local house and I guess that was the well water.
तुमचं जे आहे ते द्या विहिरीचं वगैरे. अच्छा म्हणजे
Now more we had 10 kilometers to ride to reach Guhagar and it was almost 5:30. So we quickly took off and in the meanwhile we also told Siddesh to go ahead and check for homestays. So finally, after riding for 70 kilometers, we reached Guwahgar and booked our stay and ended our third day ride. And that was all from this ride. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified once I upload the next video. Please do like and share with your friends who are planning for such kind of long distance rides. And if you have any questions related to this ride, please let me know in the comment section below. And you'll see me in the next. Till then, ride safely.